Hi, I'm Dr. Kim Young from South Korea. I'm attending UN Global Assembly through World Obesity Federation. I want to talk about 4 billion reasons why you have to act on obesity right now. Because right now, 1 billion people are affected with obesity, and also obesity will drive diabetes and also cancer, all kinds of NCDs. And in 2035, 4 billion people will be affected by obesity. Actually, there is a solution, but the solution is not accessible everywhere. I think it would change if lived experience could voice up their concerns and their thoughts about it. I am trying to change the world by speaking up, and I think you could too. It's very important because if it's a current disease that need control, so I think it would be better to just change the narrative by speaking our experience together.
Mine wasn't bad after.
There's 4 billion reasons to act on obesity right now. Let's make the change.
4 billion reasons we need urgent action against obesity. It was the image that I thought it was a printed image, but actually during the Global Obesity Forum, it was live, drawn live. I seen the artist who made this. It's very impressive. Name it as disease. I think this is very important. And also, lived experience advocates. We need the action right now.
There are a lot of talk about obesity in this UNGA80, but I think it's very important that they talk about just food and healthy workout, healthy environment, but there is no talk about right now in all around the world, 1 billion people is overweight or having problems with obesity. There's no talk about how we can treat. There's a solution. How could we make the medication and care accessible? Those kind of talk is sidelined. So I don't know if there's going to be a talk about obesity because sugar tax is very important, but it's not an obesity policy because it's just a healthy option. Making healthy options more free, more accessible, that is very important. I'm not saying that's important, but we have to talk about obesity. Also obesity as a disease, not some choices. I think it's very important.